Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to record Destiny 2 with OBS 2024. So firstly, you have to go to the OBS first. If you want to record the screen, I mean you'll play on the screen. So you have to record the screen first to uh, record the Destiny 2. Okay, so you have to click on this. Uh, Firstly, you have to click on this plus icon and choose screen 2, or you can rename this any name you want, and then you'll find here this sources option. Click on plus and choose display capture. Click on OK, then click on OK again. So display is capturing. If you click on start recording, your recording will be started. Now you have to go to the Destiny or any game you just start playing and click on start recording. Okay, so your record will be started. So how you can get this record after playing the game? You have to click on this file icon, which is top right corner, top left corner. Then you'll find here show recordings. Click on this, and you'll find your gaming or any display recording here. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.